Welcome to School ICT Services. This is a short video that will highlight some of the key features our remote backup service offers and how it can help support your school. Remote backup. What is it? Remote backup is a server-based product which is predominantly designed to back up your SIMS and FMS data in the first instance to help protect your data in a secure way off-site in case of disaster. The remote backup software uses your internet provision to back up your data to the cloud, a Microsoft Azure platform which is based in Ireland. This is currently being migrated to a UK London location to fit in with GDPR policies and the recent Brexit deal. Each site is allocated 100 gig of storage as default, which can be increased by purchasing extra storage if required. Each customer is assigned their own account to log into the software, which is normally a designated school email address. This is assigned to the school's storage platform. This ensures each customer is individual and easily identifiable. The remote backup service is fully managed by School ICT, so for peace of mind every school is checked daily and any failures or issues are dealt with that morning to prevent issues escalating and ensure the school has a robust backup in place. Not only does the central management console give an immediate overview of all our customer backups, but an email is also sent to a designated contact or technical lead within the school to notify them of success or failure for their backup plans. The next few slides just show the backup interface. The next few slides are examples of the backups interface and its simplicity. As you can see from the layout, it shows you the last result, whether it was a successful backup or not. It shows you the up and coming plan, the date and time it will be run on, and it shows you your storage account, the amount of storage that has been used and how much free space you have available. Delving a little bit deeper into the backup plan, as you can see it shows you what is being backed up, how much has been backed up and uploaded, and how long the backup took and whether it was successful or not. The backup software has two key plans, a file and folder based plan and a MS SQL server based plan. The key features of file-based backup. NTFS permissions. Basically it backs up all your files and folders and the existing permissions that are applied to those folders. In the event of a disaster, a restoration will reapply all those files and folders and permissions to that folder. We have volume shadow copy, which basically backs up all files, even those that are currently in use. So you get a full backup every time. We have a customized backup plan where you can schedule your backups for any time throughout the day, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. The file-based backup does a monthly full backup with incremental backups in between, basically for speed of upload. You can restrict file types in your backup, so perhaps remove music, videos, which can use large amounts of your storage space and could lead to exceeding your backup quota, causing the backup to fail. There is a 30-day retention policy, which means you can restore data from up to 30 days ago in the event of disaster recovery or deletion. The key features of SQL backup. This feature means you can back up a SQL server and its instance and select whether you use Windows Authentication or the SQL System Administration account. You can back up all databases or individual. Again, the backup schedule is fully customizable, so you can back up at any time throughout the day, that week, that month. Unlike the file backup plan, SQL does a full daily backup, but only retains the last 5 backups. Basically, due to the amount of potential data that would be required to be re-input if the data was lost after that time. Both backup plans have some combined features. Have a pre and post command option. Both report to the event log and also send an email for both successful and failed backups. Both plans can back up to the cloud, but also have the option to back up locally to a local NAS box or another server. This is a good option for a faster restore in the event of disaster, with the added peace of mind of an off-site backup. The software can work alongside or in conjunction with your existing backup solution for extra safeguarding against system failures and disasters. Like all software, there are some limitations. The license will only back up one server, so if you have data on multiple servers, you'll require more than one license. This comes at an extra cost. Your internet provision and speed of internet provision play a key part in the backup software. The initial backup can take some time to upload, and depending on your internet speed, may take up to a day. Your internet provision also needs to be reliable, as the software uploads your data on an evening when the backups happen. To conclude, hopefully this has given you an insight into the backup service and the product we can offer in terms of disaster recovery and assistance in the school's backup regime for peace of mind, and have a fail-safe and fallback position in the case of a system failure or other disaster such as building fire. Your data is off-site and managed and checked by school ICT. If you wish to have a quotation or discuss the backup service in more detail, please contact the sales department on 0345 222 6802 and it's option 4, or email sales@schoolicts.co.uk. Thank you.